So you kind of touched on this for a brief second. So you've had a fascinating career path from a speech language pathologist, birth doula, lactation consultant, and now an intuitive channel. How
Yeah.
do you see the connection between all of these amazing roles?
Yeah. Oh, they're so totally connected. So I came to the speech pathology because I'm such a fan of language and connection, communication. And then while I was early in my career as a speech pathologist, I became really fascinated with pregnant mommies.
I love
Which,
that.
right? Like who doesn't love a pregnant mommy? So I started to I found a lactation consultation training that because in speech pathology, one of our areas of expertise is feeding and swallowing.
Mm,
And that's not just for people, elderly people who've had a stroke, it's for infants. You know, there are babies who
absolutely.
are born prematurely or have neurological disorders, and it makes the coordination of their feeding and swallowing very difficult. So I wanted to bridge the gap with what we do in the hospitals with bottle feeding and supporting the mothers who wanted to breastfeed. That to
Yes.
me, a no-brainer, right?
Right, right.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So I got trained as a lactation consultant. And then naturally in the breastfeeding realm, one would be drawn to the newborn and the pregnancy realm. And I started to learn about what women who are birthing face as their
Mm,
challenges in hospital environments,
yes.
which that's a different podcast, honey.
Absolutely. Yes. Like thinking back to my own experience, like, oh, yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes. So before I ever had children, I kind of really dove into the information to see what are we up against as women who want to have a non-interventive birthing experience.
Mm,
Um, I don't say natural anymore because all birth is natural, right? Like it's a natural process. But so they're connected that way. I honestly, the undercurrent in all of this is empowering women
absolutely.
to claim what is theirs to claim, to stay, be in their genius, to trust themselves, their bodies, the beauty and perfection of the body, and a mother's and a parent's connection to their baby, to their child, and how to support that. So that's kind of how they're all connected for me.
I love that.